Today, we're diving into Stashaway's recurring investment feature, a tool designed to help you grow your wealth automatically and consistently. Stashaway allows users to set up automated investments into diversified portfolios based on their risk appetite, financial goals, and investment horizon. With recurring investments, you can deposit a fixed amount every week, month, or custom interval, ensuring that your money works for you without requiring constant attention. This is particularly effective for long-term wealth building because it leverages the power of dollar-cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. Setting up a recurring investment on Stashaway is straightforward. You start by selecting a portfolio that matches your risk profile, ranging from conservative to aggressive. Then, you determine the amount you want to invest regularly. For example, starting with $200 every month can gradually grow into a significant investment over time. Stashaway handles the asset allocation, automatically adjusting your portfolio to align with market conditions and your risk preferences. The platform uses smart algorithms to rebalance your portfolio, so you don't need to worry about manual adjustments or market timing. Recurring investments also provide flexibility. You can pause, increase, or decrease your contribution anytime, making it adaptable to changes in your financial situation. Unlike traditional investments where fees and minimum deposits can be barriers, Stashaway offers low management fees and no lock-in periods, giving you full control over your money while still benefiting from professional portfolio management. By committing to a recurring investment strategy with Stashaway, you're building discipline, consistency, and a long-term growth habit. Over time, even modest amounts can compound into substantial wealth, turning simple monthly contributions into a diversified investment portfolio that grows with your financial goals.